Hello my friends, today I'll show you how to install a second hard drive in your laptop. All process is not hard, you need just repeat after me. First, you need to have Caddy Optibay for installing our HDD or SSD. At the first step, such as a Tetris game, you need to connect HDD to Optibay. Do not use large screwdrivers for further process, because it's very large for our bolts and Optibay. Use some like this. Actually, you can buy it on AliExpress. This Optibay has 4 bolt holes, 2 for small bolts and 2 for large bolts. I only have 2 bolts left, so I'll screw them diagonally to hold our hard drive. Let's start with a long bolt. After that, screw the small one. Good job! HDD is installed in Caddy Optibay, so let's prepare space in the laptop for second hard drive. You need to unscrew the bolt from the laptop cover and take it off. The laptop cover can be different, but the process is the same in all laptops, so don't worry about that. Now you need to remove the DVD drive. For that I will unscrew this bolt. Then I can remove it. You need to carefully remove the cover from under the DVD. We will need it soon. Now, tightly connect the cover to the Optibay. Now you need to move the mount from the DVD drive to Caddy. Okay, now you can install Optibay in our laptop and tighten everything in reverse order. So that's all the process, and actually you successfully installed the second hard drive in your laptop. My congratulations, friends! If this video was useful for you, please like it and subscribe to my channel. We will see soon, friends. Goodbye.